Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix fingerprint not showing in settings. So if your fingerprint option is not showing in settings, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to fix this problem. So what you have to do is first of all go to your settings option. You can see over here settings is opened. What you have to do is tap on the apps option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see option for see all 100 apps. All you have to do is tap on it. Now search for the settings. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the top right corner. Search for settings. Now tap on the settings option. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here at third you'll be able to see the option for storage and cache. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see the option for clear storage and clear cache. All you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. Now you can see over here the cache has been cleared. Now after the cache of your settings has been cleared, you'll be able to see the fingerprint option in your settings. If you still cannot see this option, what you have to do is restart your phone again. Long press on your power button and all you have to do is tap on the option restart. After doing this, you'll be able to see the fingerprint on the settings option. You can see over here. Tap on the security and you can see the fingerprint option over here. So that is how you fix fingerprint not showing in settings. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.